Hi, welcome to our next geometry video for our junior series. In this video we're going to carry on chatting about polygons. Right, so we've seen this table before. It is the number of sides and the name, and we've talked already in the first video about having regular polygons and irregular. So for a three-sided shape we can have an irregular triangle or a regular triangle. Now, a regular triangle, we're going to chat in this video, is called an equilateral triangle. If I go to four sides, we could have an irregular quadrilateral, and there's a whole list of names here we're going to chat about soon in the next video. And we can have a regular quadrilateral, which is called a square. If I go to five sides, we could have an irregular pentagon and a regular pentagon. We can have an irregular hexagon or a regular hexagon, an irregular septagon or a regular septagon, and so on as we go up with the names for a polygon. Alright, well in this video I want to specifically focus on a polygon with three sides called the triangle. And I want you to know that there are only three types of triangles in the world. The first type of triangle is called a scalene. Scalene triangle, basically all sides and angles are different in size. So basically anytime you find a triangle where all sides and angles are different in size, we call it scalene. Right, if I showed you the angles inside this triangle, they're all different, or two of them are the same actually, doesn't matter. No, that's not true, that's not scalene. I'm sorry, so if all sides are different, 1, 2, 3, if all different, this is called a scalene. Let me show you the lengths as well. So we've got a length of 7, a length of 8, and a length of 9.9. So that's a scalene. All sides and angles are different in size, right? So the second type of triangle is an isosceles. So let's get rid of that and bring up the isosceles. This is an isosceles triangle here. Now you can see I've got two dashes on these. These two sides are the same. So for an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, and that means when I bring up the angles, two of the angles are equal as well. So two sides are the same and two angles are the same. Now that's an isosceles triangle. So basically you've got two sides the same, two angles the same, and this third angle is different and this third side's different. So that's isosceles, right? So far we've said scalene, all sides and angles are different. Isosceles, we've got two sides the same and two of the angles are the same. Let me show you the lengths for this isosceles. You can see these two sides are the same and this side's different. Okay, well that leads us to the last type of triangle in the world, and it's spelt equilateral, spelt with an I. I know we spell the word equal, E-Q-U-A-L, but when we put it into the word equilateral, it's spelt with an I. And here is our equilateral triangle. Now an equilateral triangle, all sides are the same size and all angles are the same. So there's all sides are the same, that's why I've got these dashes on three sides, 1, 2, 3 dashes, all sides are equal. If I showed you all the lengths, they're all the same. And if I showed you each angle inside, they're all the same too. And because they're all the same, they're all 60 degrees. And they stay 60 no matter how big or small I make my equilateral triangle. Okay, so those are our three triangles. A scalene, all sides and angles are different in size. And isosceles, two equal sides and two equal angles. And our equilateral triangle, where all sides are the same size and each angle is 60 degrees. Awesome, thank you so much for watching this second video on geometry.